my fellow Rotarians and spouses and guests. The time is 7 o'clock. I call the meeting to order. Please rise for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंग तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
We all know today's evening's program. As the custom is that we always have the last meeting of the Rotary year, that is the Ladies' Night. So welcome to all of you on the Ladies' Night. Along with the Ladies' Night program, we would also be giving the awards for the Rotary year 25-26 for the concerned members. So that also we'll be doing today. We also have a guest, most likely they will be arriving, Mr. Mukul Kumar and his wife, the Managing Director of Pubmatic India Limited. So they could not attend the last Charter Night celebration, so I have invited them this evening. So they would also be coming in any time, so we would also like to felicitate them. And then finally I will hand over the mic to the MC of this evening. We have some guests amongst us. Once I take the names, request you all to please rise and get acknowledged. We have Rotarian Jignesh Karya and the President Priya Karya. I request you all to, hi, welcome Jignesh and Priya. Welcome to our club. We also have Prisha Luthra, granddaughter of Rotarian Narpati Luthra. Beta, can you stand up and get acknowledged? Welcome to our club. Dr. Leena Bhonde, guest of Dr. Vinita Ketkar. Welcome, ma'am. Welcome to our club. Ruchira Jagdale, Aditi Jagdale, and they are the Rotarian Jagdale's daughter. Where are they? Hello. Welcome to our club. Please.
Good evening, everybody. Now we proceed our evening with lighting of lamp. I request President Rohit Mitra, PP Aarti Thakur, and PP Gauri Shikarpurkar to light the lamp. I also request Rotarian and Archana Dalvi, our Program Director and Coordinator, and of course, PP Maithili Manakwad. They will come forward and light the lamp. काढून ठेवा साईडला मग परत ठेवूया. सनई लावा ना. Good evening, everybody, once again. I welcome everyone to our annual award function, a special evening to honor our members for their outstanding achievements. List of awardees of 25-26 are as follows. The most distinguished award of today's evening is Rotarian of the Year Award. This award is presented to an exceptional Rotarian whose dedication, integrity, and spirit of service inspires all of us. Your commitment to service above self is truly commendable. Highest congratulations. Any guesses? Rotarian of the Year Award goes to Rotarian Trupti Gowarikar. Come here, come here. This trophy is sponsored by Rotarian PP Dongre. Heartiest congratulations, Trupti. The next award is Best Couple of the Year. Though this couple have recently joined our Rotary family, they have integrated so well with everyone. Also, both are ever ready to help whenever the need arises. Congratulations to the award-winning couple. The best couple of the year is Rotarian Sarfaraz Shaw and Anne Charmin Shaw. Congratulations. I invite Mansoor Dalal to please come and do the honors. Heartiest congratulations.
Past President Mansoor Dalal, as the custom is, has presented rupees 5,000 check to the award-winning couple for any of the project which they feel like sponsoring in the coming year. So thank you very much, Mansoor.
Our next award is for Youth Service Award. This youth awardee works tirelessly for school children and interact clubs year after the year. Her contacts and relationship with school authorities are exemplary. Highest congratulations to the awardee Youth Service Award. And the award goes to Rotarian Daljit Kaur Raizada. And this trophy is sponsored by PP Ravi Gosavi and Bindu Gosavi. I please call upon Ravi and Bindu on the stage. She's come? She's come? No. It's okay. Heartiest congratulations, dear Daljit, on this well-deserved recognition. Our next award is for the Best Attendance Award, and this trophy has been sponsored by Anne Vimal Kulkarni. This award goes to the awardee who is very punctual and tries to attend all the meetings. As of now, she has attended 44 meetings. Not only attending meetings regularly, but she has also been donating generously in a big way to Rotary projects. Heartiest congratulations to the awardee. And the Best Attendance Award goes to none other than Rotarian Mandakini Tata. The next award is for the excellence in membership. Though this awardee is new member in a club and he has introduced 2 members, your gesture is much appreciated. This award goes to Rotarian Jasveer Singh Sodhi. This trophy is sponsored by Shankari Suryanarayan. Congratulations, sir. Our next award is for Innovative Project Award. This trophy is sponsored by General Zoshi. While Synergy Meetings this year has been new concept, the awardee has meticulously planned and executed some of the big Synergy meetings like Shobha Day program, Synergy meeting with RC Downtown, for which the speaker was Bharat Dabholkar. Synergy meeting with RC Airport, speaker was Aditya Pitti. These meetings were a huge success and achieved very good recognition. Heartiest congratulations to the winner. And the winner is, and the awardee is, none other than Rotarian past president Maithili Manakwad. Heartiest congratulations.
Congratulations once again.
You have to welcome the chief guest.
I take this opportunity of welcoming Mr. Mukul Kumar and Madam, welcome to our club. Mr. Mukul Kumar is the Managing Director of Pubmatic India Limited. Welcome. Give him a big round of applause. He has been our CSR partner as well and has been contributing generously to our club's projects. So thank you very much, sir. Please have a seat.
Our next award is for the Vocational Service Award. This award goes to the awardee for supporting and taking charge of all the vocational projects in the absence of the vocational director, Jaysri Kubir, due to her ill health. She has successfully taken charge of all the projects throughout the year. And the award goes to Rotarian Madhuri Rao. Congratulations, Madhuri. This trophy is sponsored by PDG Lakshman Bhojwani. Our next award is for International Service Award. This award has been backed by the awardee for representing our club in the global community and using his good contacts to get almost 20,000 US dollars from District 1990 and 2000 from clubs like Eiswil, Baguio, Basel from Switzerland for our global grant projects for cervical cancer. I welcome the awardee, and the award goes to Rotarian past President Kailash Munga. This trophy has been sponsored by PDG Joel S. Delvis. Congratulations, Kailash. Our next award is for community service. This awardee is instrumental in getting CSR funds for our club year after year, which help us to execute excellent projects like Happy School in Bhor. This award goes to Rotarian P.P. Chandrasen Shirore. This trophy is being sponsored by PDG Sam Irani. Heartiest congratulations, sir, and thank you for your kind support. Club Service Award. This award goes to the awardee for publishing well-created, very informative and interesting 50 weekly bulletins in the year. We are happy to announce that one of our bulletin has been adjudged as the best bulletin in the district. A big round of applause to the winner. And the winner is Rotarian Farida Irani.
Farida, unfortunately, is not well, so she is not attending this evening's program. So I will personally talk to her and convey her the award.
This trophy is being sponsored by PDG Gustup Rashid. Our next award is for the Rotarian of the Year. This award goes to the awardee, very enthusiastic about participating in cultural programs and other activities. This award goes to Rotarian and Shilpa Motwani. This trophy is sponsored by late Rotarian Suhas Kuber. Congratulations, Shilpa. The next award is for Unique Project Award. This award goes to the awardee for recommending very deserving senior citizens' home, wherein we built toilets and residential rooms for seniors at Kari near Bhor. In fact, after a very long time, a club took up a project for senior citizens. This award goes to Rotarian Pramod Shringarpure.
I will come there only.
This trophy is sponsored by late Rotarian Prem Anand and Kamlesh Anand. Heartiest congratulations, Pramod Dada. As we come to an end of this award function, we once again congratulate all the winners and a huge round of applause for all the award winners. Thank you all for being here and have a wonderful and entertaining evening ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, Vajanti, and once again, congratulations to all the winners. You really added a lot of value to the Rotary Year 25-26. Thank you very much. We would now like to felicitate Mr. Mukul Kumar and Madam, would you request you to please come on the stage. The Sergeant at Arms to please escort them. Welcome, sir. Welcome. Thank you so much. Welcome, ma'am. Welcome to our club.
Just for information, Mukul Kumarji's better half is Nitika.
So now I invite the Master of Ceremonies, Rotarian Kalpita Devasthali, and the spouse Chandu to take the proceedings forward from here. A program which you all have been waiting for the last half an hour. Over to Kalpita and Chandu.